In this photo, I will guide you how to read a line in photo. It's not easy to take a photo lying down because if we don't know how to use right lines, we will not have nice photo. The rest and this lens will be very bright and very difficult to adjust. Okay, then come back to this photo. I will edit it in Photoshop as usual. And first, I will recompose this photo. By the way, I chose crop. Here is the golden ratio composition. I will switch to rule of thirds layout. Then I will rush this subject to rule of thirds composition. Okay, then I gonna pull press over here a little bit. Make it wider. As well as pulling the picture up a little bit. Move the picture up a little bit to pull the rest down. And brush over this direction. I finished the composition of the photo. Now I'm going to switch this picture a little bit. Make it more beautiful by use bubble wrap. Edit, bubble wrap or liquify. In this picture, I don't want switch much, so you liquify. In order for the rest to curve, I will squeeze this part of it a little bit. And this part is come out, then I'll see that retrace is curving. It will more better and impression. How beautiful my picture is depends a lot on my REST processing techniques. My image processing. The same photo, but if you switch it well, the pictures will very impressive. This technique I share with you a lot through my tutorial video. I will put this in a little bit. Or give it out, not give it away. One is out and other is in. This little one, I put it in. Then I go to the squeezing part. As for squeezing people, it depends on your stats. Normally I would squeeze hit but bigger and swipe smaller. That's how I squeeze. Then next I will make this area squeeze a little bit. Then I use this. Here I switch a bit too much. The flower was broken. At this time, I use the contrast scan to restore this flower part. Otherwise, it will be fake. Also, restore this part. Then I finish the rest. This part is a big player. I will handle it later. Now I will do the thing that I adjust the color to brighten it up a bit, while balance the rest. This photo I think doesn't need color correction because there's no color at all. Or I will make this flip color disappear, it darken. By the way, I will subtract the yellow color. Then you see that except for the yellow color, the picture is clearer. Here, before, after. Then these are the ones that slow their colors. Then I add contrast to make it a little brighter. And then I will brush except this part for the light. It doesn't affect the surrounding, leave it dark. Then now we will go to the skin color treatment. Here I will see the subject skin is darkened, the color on the skin. So how do I do it? Now I will guide you. Each to use a tool. Let me handle this. Then I go to brush, show brush color. And I show the rest alternate option if you use Smart. You select the color area next to it. Then you now have the color of the next area. Then you scan it. The area of skin that you want to apply color. Just applying color. Then it does not change any detail on subject skin. The red skin is sunburned, so the skin is red. I will reprocess this part of the skin. This part is very difficult to handle because the color of the skin is the color very uncomfortable. Then if you want to more closely, you can zoom in to do more. Before the skin is darkened and after. Then the second one, I can adjust the back of the skin by just continue to adjust. Go to the brush section and show skin. After that, I select next skin area and I will scan it. Now it will smooth the skin. It's the same color, you see. I have done the job of matching the skin to the subject skin tone before, after. If I see a loss, I can reduce the opacity a little bit. Finish handling this very uncomfortable skin. Before, after. Next, I will make the skin with the skin. Brush on subject face. I will put in, enter. Sweep in the part of the skin I want to smooth. Here my subject skin is a bit spread, so I will have to use more manual processing. Before, after. It's pretty smooth already. If you want, you can increase this 5 spark. Actually, I will not do too smooth. I can erase the mark on the face with the tool is spot healing or the bath tool. Delete slowly. This part I demo do it quickly for you, but you just delete like this and you done. Because this skin adjustment, I don't want to go too deep because it's not the main part. I want to reset the overall image in colors. Now I will hit more clocks around here, pen, and I pick it to the dark. Just for us, it will more dark. And after I have darkened it, I will continue to darken some part of the rest of the subject. Because the rest is current light uneven, this box is a big light. I will make it dark. Show dark. Scan this rest. In the box that I want to highlight, before, after, The rest itself stands out much more. Next, I can erase skin brightness by choosing Skin, Whiten Trees, and I only scan the face area. Then the subject face is much brighter. I reverse the mask and erase the shoulder area. Then the face is brighter. Next, I can also make this round light up by choosing Contrast. I hit the round to make it stand out more. And now I will use Erase Sharpness. Let the rest is more defined. In this photo, the rest is the main subject of the picture. Remember to change the mask to white. Because of this, I have to change the mask. Before, after, and I can add more detail to the photo, the whole picture. Here I will reduce it a little bit, about 30. Before, after, my rose is brighter. I have impressive photo with just a few editing steps with FineArt secrets.